just got off the ferry. Grand Manan here. We're gonna go take these machines down and deliver them there. This is going to Grand Manan Boat Builders. 4 gallon per minute, 3,500 PSI belt-driven cold water. And they'll be using this for cleaning up their boats when they bring them in for service. When they're sending new boats out, use it for stripping off moldings and stuff like that. So it'll be used quite a bit. And at the same time, while we're on the island here, we're going to go around and see a lot of our customers that have our equipment. A lot of lobster fishermen, a lot of fishermen around here with a lot of our gear. Finished up in Grand Manan. We're over and delivered a machine to Grand Manan Boat Builders there today. Dropped that off. We went around the island and seen a bunch of our customers. Primary business in that community is the fishery. So we were down the dock, seen some of our old customers. Went into the halls, seen a few of our machines, hydraulic units for some of the barges. We got a few machines to go back and quote up for the guys there. Grand Manan, great spot, fishing community. Really, you know, the people down there are great people, and we had a great day to travel around the island and seeing everybody. And just on our way home now. Just got off the ferry, so we're back in the mainland and heading home. And we'll call our day and get back at it tomorrow morning and send some quotes back over to them. And we'll probably be going back there in a few weeks with delivering some new units over there again.